how many after. So before was from the 1st of July up until the 1st of December. It was not January, 1st of December 2017. So it would be for the whole of July, August, September, October, and November. It is 5 months before the increase. So let's just put it in somewhere. So that is 5 months. And after we increased, how many months did we receive after increase? We received from the 1st of December until the 31st of July. So it's for the whole of December, January, February, March, April, May, June, and July. 8 months. Total, the 2 should give us the 13 months. So 5 plus 8 is 13. So the 347,000 consists of 5 times something which we're not quite sure about what it is, plus 8. So 5 times something plus 8 times that same something, but plus 11%. Now to plus 11%, we simply multiply by 111 over 100. Good. Now we must just solve for x. So 347,000 equals 5x plus 8 times 111 gives me 888x divided by 100. That gives me 5x plus 888 divided by 100 gives me 8,88x. That gives me 13,88x if I add the two. X, so now I can just work out what x is. So x would be the 347,000 divided by 13.88, and that should give me 13.88, that should give me 25,000. But that is before any increase. Important to remember that. Before the increase, I need to work it out after the increase. So I must just add back the increase. So the increase, what was that? It was 11%. To add 11%, we simply take 100 plus 11, it's 111, divided by 100, and that gives me 27,750. So the rent after the increase is 27,750. He paid 1 month too much, so I must take out 1 month's rent, which is 27,750. So I'll go to the rent income and I'll minus 27,750. Paid too much, so I must take 1 month out. That is rent. The next one is stock on hand. All these adjustments, very common, mostly in all the tests. Sometimes they will differ them a bit, but if you can do them, you should be able to be doing any income statement. Just make sure you read carefully. The trading stock on hand, all that means is they counted the stock and they found 210,500 in the storeroom. That should equal the amount we've got in our books, in other words, the trading stock account. To see what we've got in trading stock account, we again just go back to our trial balance. And there it is, trading stock, 209,500. So it's F, and that is now the trading stock. Okay, in the trial balance, I've got the figure that let me just write it correctly. Trial balance. The trial balance figure is 209,500. 209,500. But as with debtors, I first need to go check did I not change this figure with any of the previous adjustments. So I'll quickly go back to my adjustments, and there I said with the goods returned, I must add back the 750, the cost of those goods returned. So from number 1, the goods returned, I must add back the 750. Let's just see if there's anything else. B had to do with bad debts. That's got nothing to do with stock. Provision also. Insurance not. Rent income not. So it's only that one. So my new trading stock figure after the adjustments is then the 20,500 plus 750, and that gives me 210,250. That is what my book value is. But they counted the stock and they found 210,500. Let's just see. Trading stock, yes. When they counted it, it was 210,500. So I've got to compare that to my book value. So my physical stock that they physically counted was 210,500. So there is a difference, and that difference is the 210,250 minus 210,500 gives me 250,000. But look at the actual stock that we've got is now more than what we think it should be. That is what we think it should be, because that is what we calculate in our books, and that is the actual. So what we think it should be is more than what the actual is. So we've got more stock than what we think we should have, so that is a good thing. In this case, more is good, and that means it is an income. So I must put it under income. So I will just go back to my income statement, under income, and if it is more, we call it a surplus. So it is a trading stock surplus. Trading stock surplus. If it was less, it would have been a trading stock deficit. But in this case, we've got more stock than what we think we should have. Now, what we're going to do is we're simply going to take whatever the physical stock is, which they give us in note F, minus whatever we calculated. So make sure you show this calculation. If you put in the physical stock minus whatever figure you've got, you'll get the one for the amount given, and you're going to get a mark for your answer. Even if your calculation here is incorrect, you still get 2 marks. So it was 210,500 minus 210,250, and that gives me 250. So that was number F. Now we can look at G. Audit fees, easy one, nothing to calculate. They tell us that external auditors are owed a further 7,250. If we still owe, we must simply add it. So we're going to add the 7,250 to the audit fees. So go to audit fees and simply add 7,250. Directors' fees is the next one. In this case, they tell us the company have 5 directors. Let's just highlight that. They've got 5 directors. One of them requested his fees for July to be paid due to financial financial problems, and all 5 received the same fee. So what that means is 4 of them got their normal 12 months, but the 5th one got an additional 1 month because he got July as well. So if he got an additional, it means he got 12 plus that one 13. So 4 got 12 months and 1 got 13 months. So let's first record that. It is G. Okay, so 4 directors got 12 months. So how many months did they get in total? So 4 times 12 gives me 48. But the one got an extra month. So the one director got 13 months. So in total 13. So what in total, how many months did we pay? Total number of months is 48 plus the 13, and that gives me 61 months. So whatever I received equals 61 months. So if I can, if I want to calculate how much it is per month, I simply take the total that I received. Let's see how much that is. Director's fees, go back. Director's fees 1,500,600. So in total, I received or I paid 1,500,600, and that equals 61 months payments in total. So if I want to work out how much it is for 1 month, I simply divide the 1,500,600 with 61, and that gives me 24,600 per month. 24,600 each of them got per month. So now it's simple. One got too much, I must take 1 month out. So I must simply reduce the director's fees with 24,600. So I'll go to my answer book and go to director's fees minus 24,600. Good, so now we are done with this adjustment. We can move on to the next one, which is the fixed deposit. Again,